welcome back to my kitchen. This is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my boiled tomato sauce and use as basis for most of my cooking. So let's get into the recipe. So I'll start with one of the onions and use it to fry the oil and make it flavorful. I'm going to start with a large pan because this is a bulk sauce, and just warm up some oil and add the onions for it to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to cut and blend all my other vegetables: green pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and this is the base of my sauce. So I'm going to blend everything together. Then just when the onions are just right, I'm going to add them to it, and I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes for the water content to reduce. After 5 minutes, it's ready, and this is a crushed tomato sauce that I'll be using, but not now. So right now, I'm going in to add my tomato paste. I start with the tomato paste to make it take consistency, and it makes it easy to use just a little bit, and it goes a long way. So that's the tomato paste I'm adding to it. I'll just stir everything together and also let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then we'll go in later and add my crushed tomato sauce. I'm using 2 of those big containers. So this is really a bulk sauce. So I'm going to stir everything for it to be well mixed and just cover it and let it simmer on a low medium heat for about 15 minutes. And I'll be stirring it occasionally so that the under doesn't get burnt. This is very important. And you also want to cover your sauce so that it doesn't splash everywhere in your kitchen. So after 15 minutes, I'm adding all my spices that I want to use: powdered pepper, onion, garlic, more onion, garlic, and some shrimp spices. And after that, I'm just adding fresh basil leaf. This makes a difference in your sauce. It makes it smell good and taste wonderful. So I'll stew. My stew is done, and I'll just put the heat off and let it just simmer till it cools down. So there we have it. I'll let it cool, then I'll transfer them into containers and freeze them and use some for cooking. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.